My name is Aiden Haskell, and this summer I went skiing.
My name is Aubrey, and what I did this summer was I traveled for my competitive softball team.
My name's Micah Gomez, and this summer I went to New York City.
I'm Jason, and what I did this summer is play games, swimming, and hang out with friends.
I'm Colton Malello, and I went on a cruise this summer.
My name is Jose Palacios,
My name's Alita Wilborn.
and I partied all night.
I worked all summer.
My name's Rosie. One thing I did this summer was hang out with friends.
This summer I went swimming and hung out with my friends.
My name is Chica, and something I did this summer was go to Mexico.
What I did this summer is I went on a cruise to the Bahamas.
My name is Ria White, and I worked all summer lifeguarding, and I also went to Italy.